Hi, it's Persist, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, open the Bluetooth settings, disable the Bluetooth, and enable it back on. At the same time, enable the airplane mode and disable. This will restart the Bluetooth settings. Hit the gear next to your connected device and unpair and unpair. We need to now scan for the devices and once again connect with it. Hit pair. And if you still have any issues, then try restarting your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.